Hello mga Lodi! Welcome back to my channel. Ang inyong kaibigan mga Lods. Rain safe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. For today videos nga pala guys, pupunta kami doon sa car dealer. Kasi last week pumunta kami doon, naganapan kami ng sasakyan. Yun ang napusuan ng anak ko. Before anything else guys, may short story ako about sa bago kami kumuha ng sasakyan. Nag-ikot-ikot kami ng anak ko kasama yung mami niya. Pumunta kami sa iba't ibang car dealer. Tapos nung pumasok kami doon guys, kahit isa walang pumapansin sa amin. Sa tingin siguro nila na hindi kami makabayad. Pero okay lang guys. Sabi ko sa anak ko, punta tayo doon sa Hyundai o Hyundai. Kasi doon ako kumuha ng sasakyan before. Yung old car ko, yung SUV na Hyundai Tucson. So nung pumunta na kami doon guys, yun ang last na pinuntahan namin. Nung pumasok kami doon, yung isang stop doon, sinalubong kami, sabi niya, "Good morning. Ano bang hinahanap nyo na sasakyan?" Na-appreciate ko yung ginawa nila. In-entertain kami, hindi katulad ng iba. Sa tingin nila, hindi namin kayang bayaran. So, okay lang yun guys. Ikot-ikot kami. Tapos napusuan ng anak ko yung sasakyan na kinuha namin ngayon. Tapos sabi nung staff na, "Gusto mo bang i-drive?" Siya, "Okay lang ba?" Kasi bagong-bago talaga guys. Nakabalot pa ng plastic. Tapos ni-drive ng anak ko, kasama ko, at saka yung mami niya. Maganda naman yung performance guys. Kaya yun ang kinuha ng anak ko. Tapos hindi namin nakuha last week kasi kailangan ng insurance. So, ngayong araw na to, nakuha na namin insurance kaya kukunin na namin. Okay guys, samahan niyo ako. Yun lang. Brand new car. You want to drive, Lorraine, or me?
I can drive.
You can drive? It's the beautiful car from my daughter. She brought it today. You driver, make sure you drive properly, okay? Tama ba? Nice ride, eh? Mami niya nasa likod. Guwapa yung bukso. I'm so scared guys, your driver. So scary. Napakalinaw guys kasi malaking screen to. Ito yung backup camera niya. Pag mag-atras tayo, makikita mo talaga yung sa likod kung meron ka bang mabundol o wala. You like your car, Rain?
Yes.
That's good.
Dito siya din ang price.
2,020 model. Be careful. Gawas ka? Highway? Pwede mo na highway? Stop Rain Park yun. Dito na kita. Pwede speed just go. You drive to testingan na. Okay, that's good, Rain. That's good, yeah. Cambio. Okay guys, ako na naman mag-drive. Okay guys, I try to drive. Okay. Gawas na ito sa highway.
Dito sa drive mo? O, ito ba dito? Wala na sa shorts.
Maganda siya yung drivers, napaka-smooth. Smooth. Power steering siya. Smooth pala. Power steering siya guys. Maganda yung adjustable niya sa yung kuha niya. Kasi yung sa breaking through at going off sa kaya namin dahil sa sarili para makita talaga namin hindi na bali ito yung kabubuhan guys. Ganda, maliit lang siya, alanganing SUV, alanganing kotse. Cute yan. Ang gara guys, no? Astig. Meron na kaming itim, pula at saka silver na car. Iba-ibang kulay. So yung mami na naman ang mag-drive, mag-test drive. So ako sa likod. Ayun guys, pasahero ako ngayon.
Gahi manggod na ang brake pad ka ng ano god.
Nag-away pa no? Nag-away pa yung dalawa. Very close na. Siyempre, new driver, that's why ganyan mag-drive. Tabawa rin mo. Also driving, do I get knowing?
Hindi kanina pa kasi ito lumatag di ba?
Balik ko, balik sa plato. Ano na siya? Kaya guys na.
September 40 lang. At least ano service ako.
Guys, pauwi na kami. So, yun lang. Muna ang video ngayon. Na-close deal na. So, Monday namin kunin yung sasakyan. Okay?
So you got your spare tire under there. You got a block heater cord here as well, and this is where your locking wheel nuts is in here. I'll just show you at the front where the block heater is. So it's just right here. The block heater.
Can you open the engine? It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice engine, eh?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Windshield washer fluid over here. That's the only thing you'll really need to fill up.
Oh, I just fill up already.
The rest you'll just do a service.
It's nice.
And if you need
Very
to check
nice.
your engine oil, here's where the dipstick is. Push your foot in the brake.
Here? Okay.
Yeah. And then just press the start button. So foot on the brake and then start. That's it.
Okay.
That's all. Now it's on. If you just press the button without putting your foot on the brake, it'll just turn on the battery. So it'll only turn on the display, but it won't actually turn on the engine. So you just gotta put your foot on the brake and then press that button there. Yeah.
Stop the brake.
Now it turns it off. So then if you want to start it again, yeah, put on the brake, push the brake in, and then
Like all together, right?
yeah, brake in and then press the button. When you turn it off, you don't have to have the foot on the brake. But this is the parking brake.
Oh, yeah, the parking brake.
Seats here. So this will turn on the passenger and the driver, and then your heated steering wheel. This button here is auto start, on and off. So if you press that, it will basically when you come to a red light, it sometimes will turn off your engine, and then when you start again, it'll turn on again.
Here.
Phone projection. All you have to do to get to this page here is just slide to the left or right. Yeah, USB here to just to use the phone projection.
I see. Tapos na yung deal guys. So sa kanya niya yung car ng anak ko. Congrats Lorraine.
Thanks.
So we're going drive na. Ang bait ni Jeremy yung nag-assist sa amin. Lahat ng mga tanong sinasagot niya. Dalawang key ito Lorraine.
Ready?
Yeah, you can drive now. And don't forget the part. Test drive ulit. Okay. Okay, let's go. Papunta kami ngayon sa mami niya guys. Kasi yung isang car kinuha ng anak ko. Tapos di pala binigay yung susi. Palit sila. Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ito yung car ng anak ko. Yan. Tapos may teddy bear pa dito. Pakapin guys, pakapin. Pasok tayo dito sa bagong sasakyan. Pero hindi sa akin to, sa anak ko. Yan. Ito yung loob niya guys. Ang gusto ko dito guys kasi yung screen niya malaki. Pag mag-reverse ka, Nakita mo dito yung camera, backup camera sa likod. May sensor din siya dito guys. Pag merong sasakyan sa gilid, mag-flash siya, magwa-warning. Kaya safety na safety. Yun ang kagandahan dito. Maganda dito guys kasi meron siyang sunroof. Yan. Tapos kung i-open nyo guys, yung trip nyo naman na open yan. Maganda no. Yan. Sunroof siya. Tapos pwede natin ibalik. Hindatin natin na. Yan. Amazing. Tapos close na natin dito. Yan. Napakaganda guys. Pwede mo i-adjust dito sa gilid. Ang kagandahan nito guys, pwede natin i-adjust yung upuan. Ganito, pataas, pwede pababa. Pero manually lang siya. Ganyan. Ganito yung pag-adjust. Dito naman sa Manabela guys, may lock siya dito. Unlock natin. Pwede natin i-adjust pababa, pataas, pababa. Depende sa inyo kung anong trip nyo. Diba maganda siya? Yan. Napakasimple guys. Maganda talaga itong model 2023. Mga Lodi, hanggang dito na lang. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong video na ginawa ko. Happy ako kasi meron ng bagong sasakyan yung anak ko. Bye bye for now. See you next time.